Hello, this is Anna from Spotahome. Here we are in Carrer Ferran Catholic. We're going to visit this 2-bedroom apartment. We're at the entrance. You have a dining table with 4 chairs over here. You have the kitchen in the background. Small living room. You have a sofa. You have a TV. You have a bookshelf on the corner. Small closets. This is the kitchen. So you can see you have an oven, you have a coffee machine, you have a washing machine in the kitchen also. You have all the kitchen appliances that you will need. This is the bathroom. You have the sink, the small cabinet under the sink, you have the toilet, you have the shower over here. This is the master bedroom. You have a double bed with 2 bedside tables. You have an inside patio view. A lot of natural light in this bedroom. You have a built-in closet. And on the other side you have a small bedroom with a single bed. A window to a terrace, as you can see. You have a bedside table and you have a built-in closet over here. We are on one of the main avenues here in Valencia. It's a really well connected area by bus or by subway, close to the center of the city. You can go walking. It's a 10-minute distance walking to Plaza del Ayuntamiento, which is the center of the city of Valencia. You have the fridge over here. And this is it. Thank you and goodbye.